Second Life web application provides a 3D virtual world where students and adults can collaborate online 24/7. Second Life can be used as a learning tool in adult education. With Second Life, adults have the ability to network with others without knowing who they are. Our collaborative project encompasses second language English learners that utilize this web tool. The student learns how to socialize and interact with others. They are also provided feedback while learning. Second Life provides a portal for these learners by incorporating tutoring and counseling that further engage communication among adults. Second Life provides an interactive alternative to traditional distance education.
Higher education is continually searching for student accessibility in different formats, including traditional, blended, and distance learning. Secondary education is using research and theory to support the utilization of 3D virtual environments for instruction, such as Second Life. The advantages Second Life offers distance education includes engaging learning environment, in-world learning experiences, and collaborating with others. One major concern with distance education is the social interaction. According to Albert Bandura's social learning theory, people learn from one another via observation, imitation, and modeling. Second Life provides social interaction with peers, instructors, and learners from different universities from around the world. Second Life engages the learner using Richard Mayer's cognitive theory of multimedia learning, which is based on three main assumptions. There are two separate channels, auditorial and visual, for processing information, limited channel capacity, and learning is an active process of filtering, selecting, organizing, and integrating information. Second Life applies the social learning theory and cognitive theory of multimedia learning by providing an interactive learning environment while integrating social relationships. Second Life assisting second language learners overcome language barriers will demonstrate the effectiveness of delivering instruction in higher education. The project will center on students applying and synthesizing knowledge while communicating in an interactive environment, socializing and interacting with others, and receiving immediate feedback. Tutoring and counseling will further engage the communication process. As higher education continues to explore options for effective distance education, Second Life will continue to provide an effective, collaborative, online 3D virtual learning environment.
Second Life is a 3D virtual world developed by Linden Lab and is accessible via the internet. It's a virtual place to connect, interact, explore, and collaborate with people from all over the world. A beneficial resource that Second Life provides to its members is the possibility to collaborate using 3D virtual classrooms with many users from different countries. Second Life 3D virtual classrooms are designed to increase online educational possibilities. Many retired and current educators contribute to Second Life by constructing virtual study islands where students and learners can meet virtually. Educators construct the islands based on a desired learning space for the learner. The best landmark that we as a team found was an English learning community named Cypress Chat, a virtual world English learning community in Second Life. This landmark is full of interactions, allowing the participants to practice in countless activities to engage the learner in practicing English. Many of these islands mimic actual classrooms by having desks, benches, tables, bulletin boards, etc. to impersonate a face-to-face instruction with a professor. Depending on the learning island, many virtual classrooms are fixed up with entertaining 3D models of buildings, houses, hotels, stores, etc. Our research in Second Life is how English as a second language could assist learners in studying in a 3D virtual classroom. Our team members have been participating and collaborating in different English language teaching virtual classrooms.
Cypress Village offers ESL learners a virtual meeting place which provides them with quizzes, discussion topics, idioms and stories to further reinforce their English language skills. These features allow learners to engage in real-time virtual communication with their peers. Second Life can motivate learners to share and discuss ideas because discussions are not face-to-face. Therefore, shy learners that lack interpersonal skills are able to use their avatars to communicate and participate in discussions without fear. In the Cypress Village, ESL learners are encouraged to communicate via the audio instead of chat. Nevertheless, users are able to use the chat option in Second Life to practice their writing skills. Avatars, also known as residents in Second Life, can interact with people around the world just as online learners do via Wimba or Illuminate. However, Second Life allows the user to build an avatar which can be fully customized to match the user's personal appearance. In addition, avatars can be animated via the keyboard and mouse to run, sit, fly, drink, and perform other movements and gestures. This allows the user to explore regions within Second Life via their avatar. Regions such as the Safari Single Paradise, which is a landmark found in Africa, and the cultural arts museums allow the learners to collaborate in educational discussions. ESL learners can be motivated to practice their English communication skills while they discuss important historical sites such as the pyramids of Egypt. One of the greatest advantages of this landmark is that it allows the avatar to teleport back and forth from any region. Second Life is more than a social networking tool. It offers landmarks such as the ones we mentioned that encourage peer learning and collaboration between users, which is beneficial to ESL learners as they communicate in this virtual setting.
Javier is a student in Mexico City working on his bachelor's degree. He has just learned that he must be proficient in communicating in English. He started learning English during his second year of college and has developed basic skills and is able to communicate simple ideas to English native speakers with difficulty. He needs to build more vocabulary and improve his grammar. To accomplish this, Javier started using Second Life. After a few searches, he decides to try an island called Vertlantis. He discovers that there are several tools on this island that allows him to improve his English and to interact with other people from across the world. By utilizing the resources on this island and other similar islands as well, he is able to build his vocabulary and improve his sentence structures, thus making him a more proficient English user. Had Javier chosen an alternative to Second Life in the form of courseware and managed e-learning, he may not have built all the necessary vocabulary and grammar needed to succeed in his profession. A few disadvantages in enrolling in this type of class are no face-to-face interaction with the professor and other students. He would be limited to videos and limited instructional software. Practicing a second language in Second Life with others that speak the language has helped him pick up the language quicker and more accurately, leading him to success in his venture.